India's wearables market is poised to touch 100 million units this year and is expected to grow to total 117 million units next year. The swift increase in the growth in the sector is driven by rising smartwatch sales and expanding offline sales. Hello and welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. The young demographics and high disposable income in the country is one of the largest growth drivers of the industry. Continuous investment in research and development and marketing activities by the wearables manufacturers is positively impacting the industry's growth. With this, next year, we are going to witness a wide range of technological advancements in the wearables market in India with new product launches with ameliorated features. The India Consumer Wearables market segmentations depends on 4 factors. Number 1, by type of wearables. Fitness trackers dominated the wearables industry in India in 2020 on the basis of revenue. The adoption of wearables is currently led by decrease in the price of fitness trackers. In addition to being cheap, these devices now offer features which were only once available in high-end devices. Number 2, by price segment. Wearables between the price categories of Rs 10,000 to Rs 20,000 will generate more demand as disposable income of the individuals rises in the country. This will be further fueled by decline in prices of fitness bands and smartwatches as competition is expected to increase. Number 3, by type of city. Owing to high levels of pollution in the air and adulteration in diet, residents of metro cities have become more fitness conscious as compared to the residents in its counterpart. As a result, these metro cities contribute a higher proportion of sales revenue in the fitness tracker market. Number 4, by distribution channel. Since majority of the sales comes from Tier 1 and surrounding cities, the preferred channel of sales is online. This is due to the fact as residents in these regions are more literate and find online medium as an easy platform to compare and buy products. With the increasing popularity of smartwatches in India, the product will draw in more diverse customer demographics such as children and elderly shoppers. Emerging brands including Noise, Mivi, Dizo and Firebolt have witnessed a sharp growth in the offline space as compared to the online sales. However, although the smart wearables market is expected to continue to grow, its growth rate could fall sharply from the 51% growth seen in 2022 to less than 20%. Fears of a full-blown recession could curtail customer spending in India on non-essential categories. The trend shows India currently trails China and the US in the smart wearables market in terms of units sold. Next year could still see India overtake the US in terms of units sold, especially as the US is facing an economic downturn. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. Prime Minister Modi meets Sundar Pichai. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had a meeting with Google and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai to discuss innovation, technology and more issues with him. Following their interaction, the Alphabet CEO expressed his thanks to the Prime Minister for the great meeting with him. He tweeted about looking forward to continuing this strong partnership and supporting India's G20 presidency to advance an open, connected internet that works for all. Twitter users voted yes for Elon Musk to quit as its head. It seems like Elon Musk has invited problems for himself as almost 58% Twitter users voted yes in the poll that asked whether Musk should quit as Twitter head or not. The Tesla chief has always followed the Twitter poll results in the past and even promised to abide by it for this poll as well. He is fond of quoting in a Latin phrase that believes the voice of the people is the voice of God. Let's see what the future has cooked up for him. Nitin Gadkari launches Surety Bond Insurance from Bajaj Allianz. Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari launched one of the India's first ever Surety Bond Insurance products from Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. The Surety Bond Insurance will act as a security arrangement for infrastructure projects and will cover the contractor as well as the principal. The product gives the principal a contract of guarantee that contractual terms and other business deals will be concluded in accordance with the mutually agreed terms. AdarPoonawalla to reportedly launch Rs 1,000 crore fund for startups. Serum Institute of India CEO AdarPoonawalla has sought regulatory approval to establish his Poonawalla Vision Fund to invest Rs 1,000 crores in growth stage startups. The fund is expected to be sector agnostic, with interest in startups working in the domains like green energy, retail, pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and wellness. Initially, he will be the sole investor, and later the fund will seek investments from other external investors. The Personal Data Protection Bill is expected to be passed in the next monsoon session. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw said that the government is expecting to get the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill and the Telecommunications Bill passed in the next monsoon session of the Parliament, that is from July to August. The IT and Telecom Minister said under the Telecommunications Bill, the government will be coming up with light touch regulation with focus on users' protection. He also said that another bill on Digital India Act will also be floated in a month for public consultation. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.